Hello, honey.
Hello.
Dinner time.
Yes.
I already see what you got over there. What time it is? What time it is?
It is mixed puri bhaji.
Ooh, let's see, guys. Puri bhaji. Let's see some more puris over there.
That's my baby's puri, little baby puri.
Okay, show me over here. What do you got over here?
I have going
Choneros.
stuff, choneros,
And
potato
potato
bhaji.
bhaji. And puris are coming.
Poopy puris. Look at that. Poopy puris, guys. And flip. Neat. Puris. Come on, poopy puris. There we go. Poopy puris. Puri, guys. Look. Pregnant puris. You wanna know what the bad thing is? They look like this when you cook them. Nice and pregnant. But once they sit, they start going flat. Some nice choneros. Look at that. With white peas. You can also call it white peas curry. Look at that. Made some nice potato bhaji to go with it. Look at that. Babe, Jopayo, dinner is ready. Mixed bhaji with puri.
Let's look at the mixed bhaji. Mixed bhaji and puri. Ooh.
Right, babe, let's go.
Okay, deep with choneros. Hello, wow. This is mixed bhaji. Choneros little bit, bhaji little bit, mix it.
It's my favorite. At the cafe in Goa, right underneath the bridge. What's it called? I can't remember.
Ravi Raj Cafe.
Ravi Raj Cafe. It's my favorite. Best.
Awesome. Good job. It is time for you to put a restaurant. Gauri's Goan food. Good job.
Right, Hartish. It's your turn.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia. Pizzeria. But no pizza. Puri. Mixed bhaji.
Is pizza better or this better?
This is better.
Huh?
This is better.
Oh. So what do we think?
What's Mama's score? Out of 100. How much is Mama's score?
A 2 and a 4 and a 5.
What?
245?
Yeah.
It's really good though, no?
And 1,000. 245,000.
245,000. Thank
Good
you,
job.
my love. All right, guys, it's my turn. Let's try. Let's try. A little bit of choneros, a little bit of
You need that.
potato
I don't
bhaji.
want the chili. You can eat the chili. You want the chili.
So good, guys. So good. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. You know what to do. If you liked the video, share and follow for more. Bye, guys.